Welcome to another episode of Fertilizer and Chemistry, where we show you how to create powerful organic fertilizers for your garden. In today's video, we're focusing on the needs of your tomato and cucumber plants. These two garden staples thrive on specific nutrients, and with the right homemade fertilizer, you can boost their growth and productivity. To create this fertilizer, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 cups of compost, 1 cup of bone meal or fish meal, 1 cup of wood ash, 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt, 2 teaspoons of molasses, and 5 liters of water. Start by mixing the compost with the bone meal or fish meal. Compost provides the plants with essential nutrients, while bone meal or fish meal is rich in phosphorus, which supports strong root development and flowering. Next, add the wood ash. Wood ash is a great source of potassium, crucial for fruit development in both tomatoes and cucumbers. Be careful not to overdo it, as too much can raise the soil pH excessively. Now, sprinkle in the Epsom salt. This provides magnesium and sulfur, which are vital for photosynthesis and overall plant health. Finally, mix in the molasses. Molasses acts as a microbial booster, feeding the beneficial bacteria in the soil that help break down organic matter and release nutrients. Once all the dry ingredients are well mixed, slowly pour in the water. Stir thoroughly to ensure everything is evenly distributed. Your organic fertilizer is ready to use. Apply it directly to the soil around your tomato and cucumber plants. Use about 1 liter per plant, ensuring that it's soaked well into the ground. You can repeat this application every 2 weeks during the growing season for the best results. With this nutrient-rich fertilizer, you'll notice stronger, healthier plants that produce more vibrant fruits. Plus, since it's all organic, you're ensuring that your garden stays chemical-free and safe for you and your family. Thank you for watching Fertilizer and Chemistry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on creating effective fertilizers and keeping your garden green and thriving. End screen. Subscribe to Fertilizer and Chemistry for more gardening tips.